Do 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 do. Hey, got you two on camera. Kira, hi. I didn't say. I was saying, hey, Akira. I was telling you, look at the camera. I know it's not him.
This on YouTube.
No. I would, but I don't have YouTube access here. By that I mean I have no internet connection whatsoever.
Guess what? Here's what I do. If this video is already recorded.
And Akira, I know that wasn't your dad. I'm not an idiot.
But that looks exactly like his car.
I know what his car looks like.
Perfect. A two-headed blood. I like to see what?
Boo.
I am a rock star. I got a rock star, and I don't need your opinion.
Hey, that was rude. That was rude. I was doing no opinion. Miss Rude. No, I didn't. I had to deal with the servitor. Yeah, get off the kid. She ruins everything. She just ruins everything. Jaco. Happy camper, look at that.
Yep. That's pretty neat.
I'm sorry. Oh, what a lovely day for a stroll and a bike ride. Bunch of happy campers. Hey, look, it's that camper that has Jesus. See, Kira?
Yep.
Kira, see, that's what I was reading that. No, it says Jesus. Yeah, that little license plate on the front.
Oh well.
Well, you did.
That's because, hey, that's my saying. That's my saying. But you didn't. Hey, Phineas, what you doing? Is that what you're doing? Okay, is that what you're doing, Isabella?
No.
From Phineas and Ferb? Oh, wait, you weren't? Oh. Gotta take that. Pick up after your pet.
The poop. Oh, I forgot you were recording. Stupid me.
Prayer of the Woods. I want to stop and read that, kitten. Wait, you said stupid me. Got that on camera.
I did not.
The video evidence will show. Alright. Wait, I think I've been down here before. I like turtles. There's some flowers. Here, look, there's some flowers on lily pads. Down there. There's one that says about a bloom.
This is what used to be Puddinhead Lake.
What?
This
Puddinghead Lake?
Puddinhead.
Puddinghead Lake?
Back in,
It used to be a lake?
yeah, they built a dam back in the 1950s. Dammed it up, but it wasn't natural, so they moved the dam, and it's going back to its natural state.
I want to see what it looked like as a lake. Where was the dam?
I don't remember.
Is it
Somewhere around here.
somewhere around here or down there? I don't know. Look at all those.
It was around here.
Look at all those flowers down there.
Yep.
I like that.
Lily pads.
Lily pad. Yeah, I Those are lily pad flowers?
Yeah. Most
What
plants have a flower.
I'm saying, what kind of flowers are those called?
Lily pads.
Just, that's it? Okay, that's it? Alright. Yeah, I know what lily pads look like. Forget it.
I haven't been back here at all.
I think I have. What is it? Let me see. What's that? What's that?
That's what?
What is that stain on that twig? You see that? Hold on, look on this and look where the crack is on.
I can't see it.
Well, said where the crack is.
All right, let's keep going. Oh, that light colored thing.
Yeah.
Off that pole.
Yeah. That's a cute puppy.
Adorable puppy.
Green Bayer, a sturdy vine which will grow into tangled thickets of some magnitude. The fresh tips of the vine are...
Oh,
hi.
It's her birthday today. Her name is Bella. She's real friendly. Here, Bella.
Hey, Bella.
She loves the park and all the smells.
Hi. It's her birthday?
It's her birthday today.
Aw.
She's 6.
6 years old?
Yeah. It's her favorite park.
Hey, Bella.
Hi.
She's a little shy.
She's shy, yeah, but she's very friendly.
Friendly and shy. Hi. Hey there.
She likes to come out here and run. You guys have a good day. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Okay.
You're bored. Oh, I thought you said you're bored. I was like, but there's so much to do.
Her name is Bella, and it's her birthday today. She's 6. She's 6 years old. Owls? Oh, on there. I was like, where? Rocky Bayou Nature Trail.
Oh, the little puppy's falling. Usually puppies, if they don't want to walk, look, Levi.
Yeah, Akira, I know.
What would they do then?
Also, you don't know.
Yeah, I do.
Really? Are you sure about that? Why'd you ask me?
I'm saying if you know.
I do know, but you asked me, so apparently you don't.
They crawl around on the floor.
Oh, I thought you didn't know, because you asked. What the heck?
It's a stump. What's that green though? Well, show that videotape to Daddy. To my dad. Okay?
I know which daddy you were talking about. What the heck? Oh, that was you. Smile for the camera.
No.
Hey, just say hi. All right, but
Smile for anyone.
a leech just fell right on your head.
I never ever smile for anyone else's camera. Except for my mom's and dad's.
Really? Because I was going to
And
to tell you to give a message to Dad. Say hi, I'm loving this life. Just say hi to him.
No.
All right.
You don't have to make me.
I'm gonna make you. Come here. Is something in your mouth?
No. I'm just keeping my mouth away from it. Smile.
All right, I'll just point it away from Miss Rude. This cane is on you.
It's a bench to sit on and rest.
It's a bench. Duh.
The second bench on the trail.
We passed another one?
Yeah, right at the start.
Goofy. Hey, the camera's on you. No what? What? It's not on you. It's on the trees. What the? Oh, those are pine cones. That's not a. No. Is that a bench?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it look like a log?
I'm just saying, where's the number? I'm just saying, where's the number 3 pole?
I don't know. And that might not have been what that 2 was for. I don't know. I was just guessing.
I know it's a bench. I was just asking, is this the 3rd bench? Because I don't see the number 3 pole.
That's why I said I was just guessing. I don't know for sure.
There it is. But
Okay, I think the 3 is something else. Oh, which way do we go? Looks like there's something down there. Looks like there's something down there.
That's another bench.
Sorry. Why do you always have to be ahead? What is that? Let's see what it is.
it looks like a potato.
Looks like a bomb. Looks like a bomb. After the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7,
Bombing.
1941, Lieutenant Colonel James Doolittle spent March in 1942 at Eglin Field preparing his B-25 squadron for the first retaliatory bombing of Japan. Yeah, yep, that's a bomb.
Yep.
It's a fake bomb. It's a practice bomb.
Yeah, I know it's a practice bomb. This historic 500-pound concrete bomb from World War II is similar to those dropped by the B-25 bombers for training purposes. Yep, this is a practice bomb.
And that's probably right where it landed. They just left it where they found it.
Really?
Yeah.
This is, wow.
Because all of these woods around
That's a really big bomb then.
Yeah, all of these woods around here, they used to use for bombing practice.
So I'm super glad that they don't have one of those lighters there. And someone with a cigarette can light it.
Well, it's not real. It won't
Here, it's a
explode.
practice bomb.
It's made out of concrete.
So it's hollow inside?
Yes.
No, it's probably
No.
solid.
No, yeah. Alright, let's go down the other path. At least we learned something historically.
I do that every day too.
Do what?
Learn everything.
You mainly want to have fun.
I learn about bombs every day.
Yeah?
do?
Oh yeah? Prove it. How many bombs? How many bombs did you learn, huh?
All right, stop.
Five.
That's not every day.
Stop. Just stop.
La 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 la. Fine, I'll just travel behind.
I really want to climb that tree. with all the animals?
Hiding from us.
That's a stupid question.
But I know there's deer out here.
That was a really stupid question.
Possums.
Actually, possums are nocturnal.
I've seen them in the daytime, but they're mostly nocturnal. Probably armadillos.
A restricted area.
Yeah.
I want to go over it. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know what that's for.
I don't know what's down there. Must be something. Where are all the animals? That's a really stupid question, Kira. Oh well.
I bet something's gonna come.
Oh, sorry.
I bet something's gonna come pop up behind me and scare us.
We gotcha. Gotcha, girl.
It was funny though.
Yeah. I should have got that part on camera. What we both did. I just pointed at the head. I just pointed at the head.
Probably heard her scream though.
Yep.
Anyone can hear my screams if I get scared. I'll feel you.
Bio's pretty this morning, isn't it?
Look at the bayou. Going down the bayou. Like, you remember that song, Princess and the Frog? Going down the bayou.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bench.
There's another path. Kira, you got a little white thing in your hair.
Get it out.
Stand still and I'll do it. There you go. I don't know what it is. It's kind of white.
Did you flip it back in my hair?
It's like, huh?
Did you flip it back in my hair?
No. What was that? I'm just asking how long. I'm asking what? I'm just asking how long are we gonna be here?
Be where?
Here.
Park?
No. Hiking. I mean hiking,
Well,
goofball.
when the trail's over, then we're going back to the camp. See this
Wow.
tree here?
Yeah.
That was killed by lightning. See how the bark is split all going up?
Yeah.
Lightning struck it.
How do you know that?
Because it looks like
I've
it,
seen
Akira.
it happen.
You've seen that very tree get struck.
Yeah, I've seen trees get struck by lightning. And I've seen it blow chunks of bark out 50 yards.
I saw lightning mixed with the rain cause a fire. When it strikes a tree.
This is 7 checkpoint. Next one, I'm gonna sit down for a little bit.
Well, whenever we get back to the camp, I'm gonna have to go back to the bathroom. In fact, we need to hurry.
Boy, you went before we.
Well, you know me, I've got to go a couple of times in the morning. Just the way I am. The way my body works.
I'm gonna get to you a lot.
I got that one on camera. No, what I did was on camera. I hope it was. I'll read it.
No.
I can't. Papa.
No, I'm.
Hey, I'm trying to float over it.
No, I'm.
Stop.
You
He's
read
trying to move your hand so he can take a picture.
Float of rosemary and an
He
evergreen.
read it last time.
An evergreen that is abundant in the pine scrub, but found usually on dunes and secondary dunes. Not a true rosemary, but an aromatic shrub with insignificant flowers and fruits. Blow-down plants have twisted roots and branches and interesting patterns, common in the park. Alrighty then. Aromatic. We are going hiking. Going hiking. Yeah. Hey, Papa. Is there... Hey, Papa. Is a snake that can spit venom like 10 or 20 feet in this forest?
Some cobras that can do that.
In this forest, too?
Not in this forest.
Oh, alright.
They don't live here.
Where do they live?
They live like India.
India. Indiana Jones. Oh, okay, now you're... Are you scared of Kira?
No.
Oh.
He just likes to hold Papa's hand sometimes.
I don't... Hi. Kira, you're just looking down.
She's watching where she's going.
No, she just doesn't want to look at the camera.
Well, that's okay too.
Not all the time I want to be taking pictures of on video.
What about picture day? Yeah, picture day or school, right?
You know, Mom hated having her picture taken.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling me that.
Yeah. She just didn't like it.
When I wake up and I don't have my hairbrush, I don't like being on camera.
Your hair looks fine.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Well, is it true that my hair is messy right now?
I think it looks fine.
Yeah, says the kid who doesn't like to comb his hair.
Hey, I do.
You don't?
I do. Yes, I do.
I have to argue with you every time, goober.
I like to comb my hair.
When I do
Okay,
it.
whatever you say.
He also likes it when I do it.
No, I don't.
You do?
It's weird.
Only sometimes.
And the I'm on a hike with two rude people. Rude adult and rude 8-year-old. Just great. What's that? What kind of bird is that? Live oak. Sorry. Plenty of firewood. When we get to 10, I'm going back. Hopefully it ends at the number 10.
Or else you're gonna go back.
What bird is that? Is that an owl?
No.
No, I'm just joking. Don't answer my questions. Yeah, I know it's a bird. Nah. Yeah.
If you can't say something nice, don't say anything. I don't know how many times I have to tell you all that.
You don't have to tell me.
All right, this is the end of the trip.
I had a hunch. Rocky Bayou Nature Trail. Sand Pine Nature Trail.
Just a different trail.
Are we back to where we...
Yeah.
But not through where we came in.
Yeah, we are back to where we came in.
I meant in the sand
Probably not.
It's when it's restrict. It's gonna say. It's gonna say that. Stream restoration in progress. Watch us putting Head Lake and Raven and Ravine. Is that Ravine?
Yes.
Ravine are restored to look similar to the steep head stream pictured here. Oh, good water fountain.
Go right in.